very simple recipe as usual, right? But you would have definitely heard of this, I'm sure. It's chicken 65. This dish originated in South India. So let me show you how I make it in two different versions. One in a super healthy way, that is a baked way, and the other one, as usual, a deep frying way. But again, in healthy oils like olive oil and coconut oil. Let me show you what the ingredients are. Now here I've used chicken breast, which is of course a boneless meat. You could also go for chicken thigh without bones, and chicken thigh is actually more tasty, but whichever suits you, whatever is available for you during this lockdown, go ahead with that. But make sure it's boneless because that's what actually makes a chicken 65 dish. Easy, right? Hope you all give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.